Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum Mask. First, ensure your face is clean and dry before applying the mask. A clean base allows the serum to penetrate effectively. Next, carefully unfold the mask, which comes with the serum and tissue in separate chambers to maintain freshness. Follow the package instructions to mix the concentrated hyaluronic acid serum with the dry tissue, activating the mask for use. Once the mask is activated, gently place it onto your face, carefully aligning the openings for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Take a moment to smooth out any air bubbles, ensuring the mask makes full contact with your skin. This helps the serum absorb evenly. Now, simply relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 minutes. The unique ultra-thin tissue is designed for excellent adherence and deep hydration. After the recommended 15 minutes, carefully peel the serum mask away from your face. There's no need to rinse your skin afterward. Instead, gently massage any excess serum into your face and neck using upward strokes. This helps your skin fully absorb all the beneficial ingredients, leaving it feeling intensely hydrated and plump. For optimal results, incorporate this mask into your routine 2 to 3 times each week. This Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum Mask delivers intensely hydrated and visibly plumped skin in just 15 minutes. With consistent use, you can expect a more radiant and youthful complexion. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful ingredient, capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it excellent for skin hydration. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated internally also supports healthy, glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.